In today's video, I'm going to teach you recover and reset your Lloyds Bank app password and memorable information. If you're stuck trying to sign in and need to get back into your account securely, here's exactly what to do, step by step. Start by opening the Lloyds Bank app. If you happen to already be signed in, go ahead and log out so you're taken back to the main login screen. From there, tap the option that says Forgotten your login details. This opens the secure recovery flow. You'll first be asked to verify who you are. Enter your user ID, your first name, your last name, and your date of birth. Make sure everything matches what's on your account, paying close attention to spelling and the date format shown on screen. This identity check protects your account, so take a moment to review each field before continuing. Next, the app will address your memorable information. If you've forgotten it, simply follow the on-screen prompts to reset it. Memorable information is an extra security check used alongside your password. Think of it like a private phrase you choose. Avoid anything easy to guess like birthdays or simple words, and keep it something only you would know. You'll now be asked to create a new password. Choose a strong one, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and then confirm it exactly as typed. Using a password manager can help you generate and store something unique and complex. When prompted about your memorable information, select Yes to change it. Enter your new memorable information and confirm it. Treat this like a second secret, different from your password, and avoid reusing details you've used elsewhere. To finish, the bank will send you a one-time passcode by SMS or an automated call to the phone number linked to your account. Have your phone nearby and ensure you have signal. Enter the code exactly as received to confirm the changes. This step ties the recovery to a device you control, adding another layer of security. Once the code is accepted, you're all set. Your password and memorable information have been successfully recovered and updated. The next time you log in, use your new password and the updated memorable information when asked. Keep these details safe, don't share them with anyone, and consider storing them securely so you're never locked out again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into your Lloyds Bank app quickly and safely.